Welcome to Brinnick Locksmiths and Security Limited, your one-stop security shop. We are proud to be the only Master Locksmiths Association licensed locksmiths in Milton Keynes. We have been meeting the needs of both domestic and commercial customers in the region for over 20 years, providing a professional, friendly and knowledgeable service. Many security problems happen when you least expect them to, which is why we can come to the rescue with our emergency service, ready to supply, install or repair a wide range of security items, including locks, safes, bars and grills, collapsible security gates, access control and intruder alarms. Our professional uniform locksmiths offer you a fast and professional service every time and always at a reasonable cost. Brinnick Locksmiths and Security Limited, your one-stop security shop. Call 01908 617 575 or visit www.brinnicklocksmiths.co.uk.